Hi, I'm Nathan Lasso, Director of Career Tech Education and Student Services. For your convenience and safety, we're offering incoming students with two options for open house this year. We have both an in-person option and a virtual option. The virtual option will be available on the Springfield-Clark CTC's website under Programs. The in-person open house will take place by appointment on Thursday, August 20th and Friday, August 21st from 8 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. If you are interested in this option and you have not yet received the email about scheduling an appointment, please call the school for assistance. To promote safety and wellness, please park in the area closest to your son or daughter's career technical program and proceed to the indicated entrance. Please take a moment to find your career technical program and entrance on the diagram. By entering in this way, we can reduce the amount of foot traffic to each career technical lab and promote social distancing. The first week of school will be a short one, just 3 days for students, and begins on Wednesday, August 26th. On that first day, incoming students will report to CTC's campus all day. Returning students will be online. On Thursday, Group B students will be on campus and Group A will be online. And on Friday, it will be the reverse, with Group A on campus and Group B online. Beginning Monday, August 31st, students will follow their Plan 2 schedule according to whether they are in Group A or Group B. Group A will be on CTC's campus Monday and Tuesday, with online learning activities and attendance Wednesday through Friday. Group B will have online learning and attendance from Monday through Wednesday, and they'll be on CTC's campus Thursday and Friday. Students are going to be grouped into groups A or B based on the career technical program that they're a part of and whether they're in the first or the second year of that program. All of this information can be found on the CTC's website. Thank you.